here she is, guys. My new truck camper. Some neat features. I gotta check it all out now. But first I have to put it on the back of my truck. So these are brackets I had custom made at a machine shop. Thanks, Daryl. Little outfit there that Graham made up for me. Thanks, Graham. Yeah, before we get too carried away, let's take it to a prime location where I'm going to set up for a couple, 3 days, and then I'll show you one of the first coolest features about this rig. Ah, this is a better spot. Nice waterfront. Ideal. How's that for cool? I know you want one. All right, let's go in and take a look. Here we go. Look at this, guys. We got a fridge. We got some drawers, bit of a pantry here. Big shelf here to lay whatever on. I'm not quite sure yet, haven't figured all that out. We got a kitchen sink here with hot and cold running water. It's propane heated water, and it's hot water on demand. 3-burner stove. We have a furnace that is electric. Just control the temperature you want right here. The fridge is electric and gas. Here's our dining area. You know, lots of room around here. Table. And of course, nighttime you can actually take this table out of it, and this changes into a bed. We have a full queen size mattress up here. Well, we haven't got the mattress up there yet. I'll show you that in a minute. Really cool. And back here, there's actually a little bathroom with a toilet and a shower. And the shower curtain is here, and it comes all the way around here and blocks off for privacy. We even got a CD player, AM/FM radio, or an auxiliary. You can plug in your phone, whatever you want there. 2 big speakers here. All the windows are fitted out with blinds. Why would you want a blind when you got a nice view like that, though? More cupboard space under the bunk here. A little bit here, and a fair bit there. Got a smoke detector. Lights are all battery powered. Got a roof vent. And even has a sunlight here for when you're in the shower or whatever. It gives you all that natural light from the sun. And up over the bed, you can unlock this one, open up this vent, and turn. You even got a fan right here that turns on. How cool is that? Pardon the pun. Let's get that mattress. Now guys, this is the coolest mattress I've ever seen, hands down. It's actually called an Airbeds mattress. So if you watched my other video where I bought a truck tent, a tent that goes in the back of your truck, this is actually a mattress that's custom made to fit in the back of your truck, whether it's a 5.5 foot box or 6.5, 8 foot, whatever. But I can also adapt it to make it fit right here in this camper. Let me show you how. This mattress uses a rechargeable battery that you can charge through a wall socket or a 12-volt power source like a cigarette lighter in your truck or whatever. Just pop the battery right in this place here. Close the hatch. Turn it on, inflate. There we go. Only took like 1.5 minutes. It's very quick. Now, of course, this indentation is here for the wheel well in your pickup truck. However, the company thought of everything. They made these inserts with the Velcro tabs that fit right on the Velcro tabs here on the mattress. They just simply slide right in place. Done. Just got her all set up here now, guys, just in time for nightfall. The sun's been gone down over the horizon now for about an hour or so, and it's just starting to get pretty dark. So just in time. I'm tired and I can't wait to crawl up in that bunk and have a good, nice, relaxing sleep. Let me check with you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It's just before sunrise here now. Beautiful, calm morning. I had a wonderful sleep. Mattress was really comfortable. Too comfortable. I kind of slept in a little bit, actually. The temperature was just perfect. The furnace cut in, controlled by the thermostat there, just cut in and cut out throughout the night. My fridge is all working good, full of food, and the freezer part, the stuff in the freezer, is actually frozen already. My propane stove works perfectly, so it's all good. I think tonight I'll try this bunk right here just to see how that one feels and how comfortable it is throughout the night. And other than that, I think I'll go for a little walk out by the salt water here, enjoy the sunrise, and then come back and make some breakfast. Can't get any better. View looks from the other side then by the salt water looking up. I just noticed there's a trail here. I could even come down here, you know, and park right here, right next to the water. How nice would that be? I guess that's one of the perks of owning the truck camper. You can move wherever you want pretty quickly. I just started up my generator because I got the option of running this off of a battery, which recharges with when the truck is running, or you can hook up a generator to it. I just bought this new generator, Champion 2000 watt. So if any of you guys are wondering just what type of camper this is, it's a Bronco made by Palomino. It's actually a Bronco 1251, and it weighs 1,611 pounds, which is pretty light, about 600 to 800 pounds lighter than a comparable truck camper. And that's why I have this expandable top. Not only is it a well-reduced weight, but of course there's way less wind resistance when you're driving on the highway, so it'll save you money on gas. Now I was a little proactive, I guess, and I put an extra leaf spring in my truck down here. My son and I installed that, and then just by putting that one in, I could carry an extra 400 pounds. So even though this truck is a half-ton and it could carry this camper easily, I just figured I'd put that extra leaf in there just to be safe, and I can carry a snowmobile and whatever else in there in the back of my truck much easier as well. And by the way, I have a 2016 GM Elevation, which is the same thing as the Sierra 1500. And I don't know if we got bacon this morning. We got maple bacon. You can't get much more Canadian than that, I guess. I'm actually just noticing that my bacon is kind of partially frozen, which means I can turn my refrigerator back a little bit. There's an adjustable setting on there, 5 different settings, and I got it on 4, but I think I'll back that up to about 3 for sure. Well, you just missed it, my smoke detector just went off, so I guess that means the bacon is getting done. Another cool thing about this camper, it comes with these tinted shields that just zip around your window there, just in case you want to keep down the hot summer sun. Hot water on demand certainly works. Now this particular camper comes with 3-burner stovetop, but there's no oven here, so I figured I'd try a new product to go on here. So this is a compact camp oven. It simply unfolds. And there you have it. It locks on top and bottom. The sides are all locked in place, so that looks pretty secure. The rack inside is adjustable. You can put it in different slots. You can see I have it in these brackets now, but you can put it down here or up here. Close it up, the door locks, and there's a heat indicator right on the front there. Let's turn it on and give it a quick try. There we go, seems to be working just fine. Just a couple of minutes and it's up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit already, so we'll give that one a try later on. Temperature is creeping up there now. It's 300 degrees. Let that cook now for a couple hours and it'll be just right. Another good thing is it only takes a minute to sweep it out. Yeah. Tell me that don't look delicious. Wow wee. Oh, oh, oh. I'd say it's a good day for relaxing inside the camper. So I wanted to try out this other bunk. This is where the table is normally last night. Now I'm almost 6 feet tall, so it's a little bit short, but I found if I put my legs kind of over this way a bit, it was fine. I still had a good night's sleep. So here's what it looks like without the blankets. This section here comes off now. First time taking out the awning. See what this is all about. Cup of coffee. I'm telling you guys, I felt like I'd get used to this pretty quick. Well guys, thanks for coming along today. Happy to show you my new truck camper here, a mobile off-grid home. Whether I'm fishing or hunting or just taking a vacation somewhere, tune in, you'll see additional videos with us using this camper. So until next time guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors, like truck camping. I'll see you next time guys.